Introducing the Gateway Workshop's online diploma course in naturopathy, the study of natural medicine. Naturopathy is based on the premise that the body has an innate ability to heal, meaning symptoms can be treated with non-conventional alternative therapies. This diploma will teach you to fully assess clients in order to seek appropriate treatment. You'll learn about a range of complementary therapies, whilst encouraging individuals to take responsibility for their own health. This course has been designed to fit around your individual lifestyle, so that you can learn at a pace that suits you, with no pressure or deadlines. And you'll even have a dedicated tutor on hand via Skype, phone, or email to give you all the guidance you need. When you book with us, you're safe in the knowledge that you've chosen a school with extremely high standards, a proven long-term track record, and tutors who are experts in their fields. So, why not be a part of our award-winning school and train with us today?